Hi, so today's going to be an update of my hair history over the last 6 years. I figured I would give you guys something more interesting to look at than just a reel of photos. So I'm going to be removing my extensions, coloring my hair, while I flash up some images to give you guys a better visual of where I've been and what I've been up to. Stay tuned to the end to see what my natural hair looks like now.
So this would be January of 2016. The last hair video I did in August of 2015. So this was me continuing to grow my hair out into that following year. I think most of it was virgin at this point, but I did start to add a little bit of some color to it with the teal I had going on. At this point, I had bleached all of it and then went over it with a really dark, ashy permanent color just to tone down the brass. And of course, after that, I went all in and bleached it again and did kind of this reverse ombre. This was definitely one of my favorite looks. I used Pervana Neon Yellow, and then the ends were just the old black color I had. And once again, more bleaching. So I bleached it all out, cut it into kind of an asymmetrical bob, and I still also had the undercut going on. I got bored with that and I went indigo, I guess kind of blue and purple. Still rocking the undercut at this point. Now we're going to be going into 2017 and 2018. Once I was bored with that, I decided to try and start growing my hair out, so I colored it back dark. I was not growing out my undercut at this point, and I put in a full head of tape-in extensions. I guess I averted that plan, and once again I went and bleached my roots. I didn't have as much virgin hair as I was looking for at this point, so it really looked like I just had like silver regrowth in my black hair. Are we noticing a theme yet? So I decided, again, I'm going to leave my hair grow. I'm going to leave my hair alone and grow it out. So I put in a few extensions to give me this asymmetrical, lower maintenance bob. And this would have been, I believe, 2016, June 2016, something like that. Not for long, because of course I was missing my long hair once again. I added some more extensions in and went for kind of a brown ombre look. I decided at that point to try a more permanent extension. These are Keratin Fusion. I did have the undercut, so these were only on my longer hair, but I had blue, blonde, and black K-tip, or I'm sorry, Keratin Fusion extensions here. Now, this is going into 2018 or the end of 2018, so I guess anything in between I missed was kind of redundant, and I just kind of did the same type of looks. This is the same hair, just curled. I thought it was really pretty. At this point, I believe I had colored over that blonde. These are still the Keratin Fusion, but I believe I had purple and blue in here and still shaving that undercut. I decided to cut them a little bit shorter as they were starting to grow out, and I knew they were going to come out soon, so I went with this medium length, very trendy haircut and style at the time. And there you can see I have the blue and the purple going on. So I took those out and left, this is pretty much all of my natural hair. I just added a few pieces for a pop of color, and I had like a lime green there on the longer side. But wait, there's more. So then I went in and did a full head of extensions, blonde and black. I usually go with blonde just because blonde's one of my favorites. I like the contrast, and I can always color them when I get bored, which tends to happen pretty quickly. So these are the same extensions from the previous picture, but I decided to do kind of a blue-green color melt on them. So I believe I was actually trying to grow out my undercut. That's why you see this odd part. I tried to reshape it, and that hair is a little too short to be parted. So I think I like hairsprayed it or something to get it to stay. But I had failed again at growing out my undercut. This one might be out of order. I might have done this and then the blue and green. I really can't remember. Either way, it's the same blonde and black extensions. I just colored these a hot pink, and I believe I had a little bit of purple. I think it went from purple into pink. And these last couple looks, I believe we're starting to get into the beginning of 2019 now.
Okay, so that was part 1 of the last 6 years of my hair history. This is my hair now, without any extensions. I did trim it and style it after I colored it, so it was a little bit longer. I took maybe 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch off. My goal is to grow out all the colored hair and to have virgin hair so that I can do more things in the future. I am also working on growing out an undercut, which I believe I've been growing this out since October. So the extensions are really helping me to ignore it and cover it so I can get through the day today with the awkward growing phases. Part 2 will consist of me reinstalling my extensions and styling them. So look out for that, and thanks for watching. Bye. So I can get through the day. God, what the fuck am I saying?